Sumagot po kayo ng kumpleto at makatotohanan sa aming komite. Dahil ang komite po namin, tinatratong maayos yung mga nagsasabi ng totoo sa amin at rumerespeto sa aming komite at saka sa Senado. Naintindihan niyo po yon, Miss Alice?
Opo, Madam Chair.
Alright. So, can you finally confirm before this committee, kayo ba si Guo Huaping? At bago niyo po i-invoke yung right against self-incrimination, hindi naman kayo yung nag-file ng inyong late registration of live birth, diba? So, you are not incriminating yourself. So, are you Guo Huaping?
Madam Chair, may mga kaso na po na final po sa akin po sa court, kaya hindi ko po siya masagot po sa inyo ngayon.
I don't think yung tanong ko ay may kinalaman sa kaso sa inyo, lalo na may pruweba nang na-establish ang NBI at yung isa pang ahensya, kinukumpara yung fingerprints ni Guo Huaping at fingerprints nyo bilang Alice Guo at parehong sinabi nilang magkaparehong taong ito. So, for your own sake at para sa kabatiran ng aming komite, just one last time on this very simple fundamental question. Ikaw ba si Guo Huaping?
Madam Chair, hindi ko po kino-confirm at may kaso na po sa akin sinampa, sasagutin ko po sa korte po.
Madam Chair,
Well,
may I
yes, Senjoro. One related question.
Madam Chair, may I invoke? I am not going to invoke or raise a point of order, but may I invoke Section 19 of our Senate rules, which states the privilege against self-incrimination. A witness can only invoke his right or her right to self-incrimination, Madam Chair, only when a question which tends to elicit an answer that will incriminate him or her is propounded to her. However, Madam Chair, the witness or the resource person may offer to answer any question in an executive session. So I would just like to invoke that, Madam Chair, because the chairperson already stated that it will not in any way incriminate her, Madam Chair. Just to put that on record.
Salamat, Sen Joel. Exactly. So, inulit, no? Yung sinabi ko na sa inyo kanina, hindi naman kayo mai-incriminate, simpleng tanong kung sino ka. And additionally, unless hihingi pa tayo ng executive session, no? Lilipat pa kami kasama nyo sa ibang kwarto para lang masagot nyo sino ba kayo talaga or palalabasin ng chair lahat ng mga taong ito para lang mag-executive session. And and before I proceed, I just like to recognize the presence of Sen Loren. Salamat, Sen Loren, for your
Good morning, Madam
participation
Chair.
today. Good morning po. Miss Alice, gusto kong ipaalala sa'yo na ayon mismo sa Korte Suprema, in the case of Office of the Court Administrator versus you, quote, the right to self-incrimination does not prohibit legitimate inquiry in non-criminal matters. So yung tanong na, sino ka ba? Ikaw ba si Guo Huaping? Hindi yan criminal matter. Hindi yan bagay na isight kaugnay ng mga kaso. Identity questions are within the purview of the committee. The Senate has a right to know. Sino bang kausap namin? Yung talagang totoong taong akala namin or ibang tao. No? The Senate has the right to ascertain who the resource persons are, who you say that you are. Sige, i-rephrase ko na lang. Okay, do you have something to say at this point, Miss Alice?
Opo, Madam Chair, ako po si Alice Guo.
Well, napatunayan na po namin na hindi kayo si Alice Guo. Kayo ay totoong si Guo Huaping. Hindi lang ang komite ang umabot sa ganyang conclusion, ang NBI mismo at ang isa pang ahensya. If you insist not to answer kung kayo si Guo Huaping, i-rephrase ko yung tanong ko. Ang tatay mo ay si Guo Jianzhong at ang nanay mo ay si Lin Wenyi. Tama ba?
Ang tatay ko po si Guo Jianzhong po, Madam Chair.
At
ang
nanay niyo?
nanay si Lin Wenyi.
Nako, Miss Alice, binabaliktad nyo na yung sinabi nyo sa isang previous hearing, no? Yung bank document na to, nililista ninyo, kasi bank document mo ito, nilista mo dito bilang nanay mo, si Lin Wenyi. So, baliktad na, pinasinungalingan mo yung sinubmit mong bank document noon sa sinabi mo ngayon na hindi mo nanay si Lin Wenyi.